My first gift idea for Valentine's Day is jewelry. These necklaces are from Amazon. They are the VIP personal card necklaces. My second idea is this heart cake. So I took cake mix and I added everything the box told me to add. Then I got a heart-shaped pan from Walmart, and then I put it in the oven, and once it was done from the oven, I started decorating it with hot pink frosting and sprinkles. So for my third gift idea, I got this heart-shaped sign from the Dollar Tree and I started painting it pink. Then I took these letter stickers that I got from the Dollar Tree and I spelled love you on it. And then I didn't have a picture of me with someone, so I got a random picture of a couple from Google. And oh my god, is that presidential nominee Andrew Yang? You guys should vote for him in primaries. So anyways, I glued the picture down and then I added glitter and that was pretty much it. I literally edited this like 2 hours ago and now he dropped out. So for my fourth gift idea, I made a Valentine's Day card. So I took a piece of construction paper and I folded it in half and then I printed out a picture of Yoda and I glued him on to the card. Then I added the words Yoda won for me with stickers and then I added glitter and it was done. So for my fifth gift idea, I took Hershey's Kisses and I filled a cup with them. Then I made this heart with construction paper that said kisses for when I can't be with you, XOXO, and I attached it to the cup. So for my last gift idea, it is a memory box. I took an old shoebox and I started decorating it with paint and glitter. I feel like mine turned out kind of ugly, but I think you could make a cuter one. And then for the inside, I would just fill it up with the memories and give it to someone as a gift.